Hi, this is the installation video for the V-Gard H1 Safety Helmet's EN12492 chin strap. To start, ensure that the chin strap is flat on the table with no twists, and that the whistle buckle is on the left side. The safety helmet should face away from you and be upside down on the table as such. Start with the rear clips of the chin strap and thread them in between the ratchet and the comfort pad as shown, ensuring that the chin strap does not get twisted. This is the back of the chin strap clip, and this is the front. Ensure that the front of the chin strap clip is facing the interior of the helmet when you click it in. Do the right and the left, ensuring that the chin strap isn't twisted. After attaching the rear clips, we're going to now do the front. Start by buckling the chin strap. Ensure that the whistle buckle is facing forward and the straps are not twisted. And then, front of the clip should face the interior of the shell. And click in. Chin strap should remain flat. Now do the other side. Front of the clip facing the interior of the shell. And click it in. Please ensure that the chin strap is not twisted and refer to the chin strap instruction manual for additional images as well as instructions. Thank you.